CR 9.80 combine harvester, a powerful and modern harvesting machine built for large-scale grain farming. Known for its strong performance and efficient crop handling, this model is equipped with an engine delivering around 380 to 420 kilowatts, depending on the production year. That gives it the strength needed to work steadily in heavy crop conditions and across wide harvesting areas. The New Holland CR 9.80 features a large 12,500-liter grain tank, allowing long harvesting runs before unloading. Its cutting width can vary depending on the header used, with examples such as a 10.7-meter header giving excellent field coverage and high output. The machine measures about 9.97 meters in length, 3.49 meters in width, and 3.96 meters in height, with an operating weight of around 19.2 tons. This combine is also equipped with practical comfort and productivity features, including air conditioning, a modern operator cab, a straw spreader, a loss monitoring system, and a straw chopper. Altogether, the CR 9.80 is a highly capable combine harvester that combines power, capacity, operator comfort, and field efficiency for demanding agricultural work. The scene shows a tree in the forest being cut down as part of a practical and necessary forest management process. In many wooded areas, dry, dead, or weakened trees are removed because they no longer grow well and can become a source of fire risk, disease, or falling hazards. These trees are often collected and used as firewood, turning old timber into something useful instead of letting it go to waste. In some cases, larger trees are also harvested in a controlled way to improve the health of the forest. When one tree grows too large or spreads too widely, it can block sunlight, water, and space from reaching the smaller trees around it. By removing selected trees, the forest can breathe better, and nearby plants have a greater chance to grow stronger and healthier. This process is often called thinning, and it helps maintain balance in the woodland. The image, therefore, does not only show a tree being cut, but also reflects the cycle of renewal in the forest. It represents careful human intervention, sustainable use of wood resources, and the idea that removing one tree can sometimes help many others continue growing in a healthier environment. logging truck accident on the road can happen when the vehicle carries heavy timber on rough ground, sharp turns, or slippery surfaces. If the load shifts suddenly, the truck may lose balance and overturn, causing serious damage and blocking traffic. In forestry work, accidents can also happen during tree felling. A large tree may fall in the wrong direction because of wind, weak wood, or misjudged cutting angles, and it can crash into a nearby house or structure. These situations show how dangerous timber transport and tree cutting can be, and why safety planning, skill, and careful control are extremely important. A wood processing factory is a highly organized industrial site where raw logs are transformed into useful semi-finished wood products. The process usually begins in the sorting area, where logs are separated by size, length, diameter, and wood quality. This step is very important because it helps the factory decide how each log should be processed for the best value and efficiency. After sorting, the selected logs move to the sawing section. Here, large saw machines cut the round logs into planks, beams, boards, or other required forms. Modern sawing systems work with high speed and strong precision, helping reduce waste and improve output quality. Once the wood is cut, it becomes semi-finished material, ready for the next stage of production. These semi-finished products may include wooden boards, timber beams, square wood, or rough planks that will later be dried, planed, shaped, or assembled into final products such as furniture, flooring, doors, or construction materials. In a modern wood factory, every stage is connected through conveyors, machines, and quality control systems. This makes the whole production line faster, cleaner, and more efficient. The factory is not only a place for cutting wood, but a system that turns raw forest material into valuable industrial products. Wooden furniture, such as tables, chairs, cabinets, and beds, brings warmth, beauty, and natural charm into any living space. Made from wood, these products are valued for their strength, durability, and timeless appearance. A wooden table offers a solid place for meals, work, or family gatherings, while wooden chairs provide comfort and a classic style. Wooden cabinets help organize clothes, tools, or household items neatly and safely. A wooden bed creates a strong and stable foundation for rest, adding a cozy and elegant feeling to the bedroom. With different designs, colors, and finishes, wood furniture can match both modern and traditional interiors, making it a practical and beautiful choice for everyday life.